In this video, I'm going to talk about such a good AI designing tool. With the help of you can create the UIs, you can create the applications, or you can turn your ideas into the fully functional your web app. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video is going to be really mind-blowing. Let me give you a demo first. So this is the app idea about a healthcare appointment app, and here are all the core features I have written, and let me tell you what are the end final result. So this is the wireframe it has generated me. You can see this is the main screen with the login, with the welcome page, with all the features of the app, application, doctor's medicine, and all the things that I am showing you right now are interconnected with each other. So once my wireframe is generated, what I can do, I can turn it into the fully functional UI. So you can see this is the option, that is the convert to the UI. So right now this is available in the coming soon, but in future we can definitely turn my wireframes or your wireframes into the fully functional user interfaces. Okay, so right now after you have just generated your wireframe, what you can do, you want to test out whether this web app is actually fully functional or not. So this is the play icon available. So when I click here, this is going to load up the fully web app in its sandbox, where I am going to test out all the features, all the options available. So right now let me show you how this web app is looking like. There is the no images available here, but you can see the user interface. So right now you can see this is the login page. Let me the login app here. So once I log in, let me click login, and now here is the main screen, that is basically dashboard. So these are all the quick action that is making the appointment, telemedicine, my health records, or order medication. This is the upcoming appointments, and if I scroll down below, you can see the health reminders and the quick health stats. So let me click here on the update health stats, where I can add my name, all the medical history, all this thing, and click here on the save and continue. So all the information I've saved is view up here. Now suppose I want to create a new appointment with the doctor, so simply I have to click here on the book appointment in person, and after that I have to select a time, then my appointment will be booked. Okay, so this is how I have showed you that this fully functional web app that I have showed you, I have just created from this text here. Okay, and I have just the idea, but with this AI I have turned my idea into the app here. Okay, and there are also the so many core features available. Suppose you want to export this web frame or your wireframe into the Figma, so there's the feature available. If I go to the export, you can see export screens as the Figma designs, or you can even download the full React code base. So this is the best part. So basically it is not just saving so much time, but it's also boosting my productivity, making the from idea to the fully designed app or wireframe into 10x faster or the 100x faster, what you say. I will show you. Okay, in the fully demo or the tutorial I have show you how I have do that, but first let me talk about this AI tool. So this is the Krisspy AI. Okay, and let me tell you, with the help of you can turn your ideas into the products, your designs, UI, and there are also so many things you can do. That you can export your design into the Figma. You can use its AI copilot to change anything if you want to change in your web app. Okay, and not only it is good for the web app, but you can also use it for the fully functional applications here. Okay, then let me scroll down below. This is a demo you are watching on its main website. So let me scroll down below, and here you can check it out. So this is good for the agencies or the freelancers. For the agencies, you want to create the pre-sales with tailored prototypes. Okay, the prototypes basically the things that is different from the actual product, but based on the prototype you can create the actual fully final product. So that is the thing you can also create. So if I talk about its pricing, let me go to the pricing and show you how much you have to pay to start using this amazing platform. Let me go to the pricing. It is starting from the $19 a month. I have tried its free version, but that is not available. Let me tell you that you have to get started with their starter or the premium subscriptions, by the way. Okay, but here's the catch, there's also a lifetime deal available on the apps starting from the $99. Okay, so you don't have to pay the $19 or the higher subscription charges. Just get its lifetime deal from the app Sumo and you are good to go. Now let me give you a tutorial how you can use this platform to turn your ideas or your designs into the fully functional applications or ready to go prototypes. So once you got its lifetime deal, by the way, the link will be given in the description, and there's also the free gift for you, so must check the description. Now let me get to the dashboard here. So this is how its dashboard look like. You have to click here on the create a new app, and there are two ways available. First one, test prompts and generate screens instantly in a sandbox environment, and the second one, that is the create a full app. Start a project from the brief and define the scope of your app. So using this second option, you can create the web app or the mobile app. So I'm going to use the second one, and after that it is going to ask me to define your product. Okay, so here you have to give the idea like your app, what the problem it is going to solve out, what are the features. So I have already information available. This is the healthcare appointment app. So I'm going to simply copy the information here, and here I have given the problem statement and the core features I want. Okay, so simply that's how you have to define your project or the product here. So once you ready this one, now you can see I have just pasted. Now here's the really quick information I want to give you, and this is the really important. You can see there's this button available, that is AI enhance. So it is going to analyze all your information and going to create the in detailed form of your web app with the user flow. Okay, so let me click here on the AI enhance. It will take few seconds, so you have to wait, but let me tell you, this is worth it. Okay, so let's see, it is still loading. Okay, we are done, and now let me show you. So this is the wizard it has created, and this is the user flow. You can see this is really mind-blowing, and this is all the core features and the things I need in my app here. So if you want to change anything, feel free to change here. Okay, so once everything is done, you have to click on the next. Now once the next button you will click, it will take some time to thinking or creating the wireframe. It can take around the 5 to 7 minutes, so you have to wait. Now I am going to fast forward this. And this is how the wireframe is looking like. You can see this is my main screen, this is the login page, and this is all the pages are interconnected with each other. So if I click here on the left top, you can see there's the name it has given me, that is the MediConnect. So actually I am liking this name. So when I click here on the overview, it is all the information about my web app. I can also click here on the mobile application, and now it will be turned into the mobile application in terms of the coding here. Okay, now you can see I can also check out all the industry and the audience from here. That is the basically from the onboarding or the creating the project. It is the process that is came in front of you, and it has automatically selected all this information. Okay, now let me tell you how you can edit any of these page. Suppose I want to edit this main page. So you can see this is the button. You can see, let me go to the mobile view so I can show you in the really good way. So this is the edit page. So here you can check out in the different devices layout. This is the mobile, this is the tablet, and this is the your laptop and the desktop view. So when I click any of the page, this is the edit button, and there is the edit screen. So here you have to describe the changes you want to change in the screen, and after that it will automatically using the AI change the screen, the information you have given here. Okay, now there's also this copilot option available here below, and here you have to provide the errors you are facing, problems you are facing, or the changes you want to do, and this copilot is going to help you out. Okay, now there is the few more options available. This is for the selecting, this is for the move. So when I click here on this hand icon, I can move easily, and this is for the select. So I want to select any element of the page, I have to use this one, and after that I can easily select that page element. Then this is the edit or add mode. From here I can add the things or edit. So you can see I have selected this element, and now this is all the function editing. On the right side I can see here or change, I want to change the styles. From here I want to change the loop condition, I can do it from here. And this is for the code. Suppose if you have also a coding experience, you can do the changes in the coding in this code section. And this is for the feedback, and this is the settings available you want to change in your registration page in the header. This is the thing how you can do that. So that's how you are going to change the things in any page you have selected. Then we have convert to UI option available. So basically this feature is right now not available, it's in the upcoming mode. for the web app, but for the applications or the mobile apps, this is the options available with the themes. So you have to select any of the themes. I think it has the 4 or 5 themes available. Okay, it has around the 6 themes available. You can select any of these. So I am going to go with, I think this one looks good here, last one. Okay, so I will select this one. Simply select, and after that you can see convert to high fidelity. Basically it is going to turn your wireframe into the user interface. So I'm going to click here, and now it will take again few seconds up to the few minutes. You have to wait till the everything is loading up. So we have to wait. I waited for the few minutes, but nothing is happening. This processor bar is not increasing. I don't know, it might be the outage issue, or this feature is still in the beta mode, but later in the future we definitely going to use this one. So right now I am closing this one and showing you what are the other features available. So you can see, if I go to the here, and if I want to minimize or maximize the viewing here, I have to just select or click the control button, and after that I have in the my this mouse, I have to just simply scroll. Okay, and that's how you are going to zoom in and zoom out. Now let me show you other thing. So when I click here on these 3 dots, I got the other options available, like I want to download the screen, I want to edit the screen. So simply click here on the edit screen, and now you will start editing. That is the first option I have showed you. So apart from this converting to UI, there is the feedback option available, and there is the export option available. So when I click here on the export, these all the 2 options still in the beta and the upcoming mode. So I can export the screens as the Figma design. So simply click here. So it is going to show you 3 options to design export in the which device, like for the mobiles, for the tablet, or the desktop, and you have to select and click here on the export, and your designs will be the exports as the Figma. Then here's the best one, that is the play your prototype. You want to see actually this prototype that you have created as the wireframe is working pretty good or not. So simply click here on the play prototype, open prototype. Okay, and now it is going to load up your wireframes in the actual view. Okay, so right now I have selected this is the mobile view, that's why it is opening in the mobile view. Okay, and here is the my desktop view. Okay, so this is the desktop view I have opened up. So this is the mobile view, and this is the desktop view. So you have to select the view. After that you will able to play that prototype. Okay, and from here you can also change the prototype screen, by the way. So let me get started with the login. This is the same demo I have showed you in the first on the starting. I am showing you right now. So click here on the login, and now you will access all the things. From here I can change the layout of the device, and this is the going to be changed. So this is showing you that the prototype is fully functional and the responsive. Okay, so that's how you can use the Krisspy to turn your ideas into design, creating the prototypes into the fully functional designs, exporting to Figma, or you can also export the code. But that feature right now in the upcoming mode, but in the future we can see that. So if you want to check it out, the Krisspy, the daily link will be there given the description. Right now it is available only for the $99, and it is lot more affordable compared to its pricing on their website, that is starting from the yearly and the monthly subscription charges. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this Krisspy demo tutorial, and if you want to check it the deal, the link will be given in the description. And that's all for today's video. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.